Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about some numericals, some examples based on the redox reaction in terms of electrons. And this is the lecture number 16 students. Lecture number 16, example, or you may say redox reaction. Redox reaction in terms of electron. Yes, students. Okay, let's see students here. In this case we are using the example of sodium chloride. We are using the example of the sodium chloride here. Sodium chloride. So sodium chloride are dissociated to form sodium ion, that is positive charge, chloride ion, that is negative charge. Sodium ion positive charge, chloride ion negative charge. Right, friends? The sodium from sodium chloride, sodium atom from a sodium chloride is a metal. Right, friends? Yesterday we know that last time we know that the topics I written the table, which is the metal, which is non-metal. Right, friends? Based on this you may check the sodium is the metal. So sodium is a sodium from sodium chloride. Sodium atom from a sodium chloride is a metal atom. So sodium from sodium chlorides lose electrons. Why it is lose electron? Because it is the metal. Whatever the species are in a metallic nature, all the metals which have a tendency to lose electrons. Whatever the metals are there, the metal which have a tendency to lose electrons. Yes, students, because this is the one of the property of the metal, students. This is the losing, whatever the electrons are losing are there now, the metal which having the one of the property, that is lose electrons. This is the property of the metal. Losing electron, this is the property of metal, students. Right, students? Okay. After losing electrons, it develop positive charge. After losing electrons, it develop positive charge. So whatever the metals are there, metals always lose electrons. If it lose electrons, after losing electron, it develop positive charge here. It develop positive charge, students. Right, students? Positive charge. So whatever the species which are donating or the releasing electron, so that's develop the positive charge here. So positive charge. Right, students? Sodium undergoes, if the positive charge develop, it means what type of reaction we called? Sodium undergoes oxidation reactions are take place. Sodium undergoes oxidation reaction are take place because we know that the species which lose electrons called as a oxidation. Already we know that the reaction, the last time we discussed that the species which is losing electron. So which species are losing electron? Sodium. So sodium is losing electron. So the sodium we called as a oxidation reaction. So can we write here the sodium lose electrons. After losing electrons, what type of reaction we called here? The oxidation reactions. After losing electrons, what type of reactions are occurs here? Oxidation reactions. Right. If species undergoes oxidation reactions are take place. Oxidation reaction, it is also called as reducing agent. The species undergoes oxidation reaction take place. If species undergoes oxidation reaction take place means it is also known as reducing agent. Also known as a reducing agent. Right, students? Understood? Reducing agent. So we'll get here, students, reducing agent. Right, students? Okay. And one more term is there. Why it is called as reducing agent? Because sodium is release electron to develop positive charge. Right? And what is the release electron? To it release electron to the chlorine, the sodium atom releasing electron to chlorine atom. So chlorine which is gaining electrons. So chlorine undergoes reduction reaction take place. The chlorine reduction reaction take place purpose who's helping? Sodium is helping. So sodium which is called as a reducing agent. The sodium which help to release electron to chlorine undergoes reduction reactions are take place. So chlorine undergoes reduction reaction take place. Sodium undergoes oxidation reactions are take place here. Let's see here. Now we have discussed about the chloride, students. The chloride from the sodium chloride. Chloride from the sodium chloride is non-metal. We know the nature of non-metals. If any nature of element which having the non-metals which always accept electrons. So that's why chloride from sodium chloride from sodium chloride accept electrons, students, right? If it accept electron means after accepting electron it develop negative charge. After accepting electron it develop the negative charge are developed here, students, right? So the species which accepting electrons, after accepting electron it develop the negative charge, students, right, students? Chloride undergoes reduction reaction take place. Or it also be called as oxidizing agent, or it is reduction reaction also called as a oxidizing agent, right, students? Oxidizing agent. So sodium turns into sodium ion, develop positive charge. So the sodium which turns into sodium ion, it undergoes oxidation reaction take place. The species undergo oxidation reaction take place. That species we called as a reducing agent. Right, students? Chloride undergoes reduction reaction take place. After reduction reaction it develop negative charge. If it develop negative charge, right, that is we called as a what type of reaction? Reduction reaction take place here. The species undergoes reduction reaction take place. That species we called as a oxidizing agent, students. Right? So it means this whole process, this is the complete whole process, students. This is the whole process we called reaction. This is the reaction. Atom turns into ion. This is the whole process we called as a reaction. But this species, whatever type of charge develop, that species we called as a agent, reducing agent. Positive charge, that is reducing agent. Negative charge, oxidizing agent. Right? So the species means atoms. Atom. The species which act as a reducing agent, it undergoes oxidation reaction take place. The species is oxidizing agent, it undergoes reduction reactions are take place. Right, friends? Magnesium chlorides turns into magnesium ion, it develop positive charge. Why I put here the +2 charge, students? Why I put here +2 charge? Can you tell me why I put here the +2 charge here? Why? Tell me. Because, students, magnesium valence is 2. Let's check, students. Last time we have discussed now here. Magnesium atom, magnesium. Valency of magnesium is 2. Right, students? Magnesium valency 2. Right. Valency 2 means it releases how many electrons? 2 electrons. So magnesium valency 2. That's why it bond with the 2 chloride ions. Magnesium atom turns into magnesium ion. Chloride turns into chloride ion. The species which develop charge, that is called ion, magnesium ion. The species develop the negative charge, that is ion, that is chloride ions. In front of their name you have to suggest the ion. Right, friends? So why the magnesium develop positive charge? That reasons are given here. Magnesium is the metal. Magnesium is the metal. So we know that the metallic nature of the species which are loose electrons, right? So magnesium metal, therefore magnesium lose electrons. Magnesium lose electrons to develop after losing electron develop positive charge. After losing electrons it develop positive charge, students, positive charge. So what are the metallic atoms are there? Metallic atoms are loose electrons. The losing electrons are depend upon what? Losing electron depend upon, last time we had discussed now, students, losing electrons are depend upon the valency. So at valency 2, so that's why I develop two charges, right? Magnesium lose electron to develop positive charge, right? And magnesium undergoes oxidation reaction take place. Magnesium undergoes oxidation reaction take place. The species which release electron, that is also we called as a oxidation reaction. That is also called as a oxidation reaction. The species which is lose electrons, after losing electron it develop positive charge, right students? And if species lose electrons, so that species we called as a reducing agent. That species we called as a reducing agent. The species which is lose electrons, that is we called as a reducing agent, right students? Or species which is lose electrons and develop positive charge after losing electrons called as a reducing agent, right students? So I will write here, students, magnesium which is lose electrons, so it undergoes oxidation reaction take place. It undergoes oxidation reaction take place, or you may say the species with lose electrons or develop positive charge called as a reducing agent, right friends? The species lose electrons, that whole reaction we called as a oxidation reaction. The species which lose electrons or develop positive charge, that species we called as reducing agent, right students? Let's see. Chloride, students. Chloride is a non-metals. Chloride is non-metals, right students? Last time we have discussed na Cl, students. Cl we have discussed here. The Cl valency 1 and it is non-metal, right students? So chloride is the non-metal, students, non-metal. And chloride non-metal means non-metal's tendency. What is the non-metal tendency? Non-metal tendency is accept electrons. Non-metal which is accepting electrons to develop negative charge. Students. Chloride is a non-metal. The chloride accept electrons. After accepting electron, develop the negative charge, right students? The species which accept electrons and develop negative charge, that reaction we called as a reduction reaction, right? So chloride undergoes reduction reactions are take place. Reduction reaction means the species which accept electron and to develop negative charge, that is we call a reduction reaction. So chloride undergoes accepting electron chloride and they develop negative charge, so chloride is the reduction reactions are take place here. The species which is accepting electron, that species we call as the oxidizing agent. That is we called as oxidizing agent, students. Oxidizing agent, because the species which accepting electron, that species we called as a oxidizing agent, right students? Okay, let's see students, last point. Magnesium converted into magnesium ion. Magnesium atom converted into magnesium ions are here. Magnesium ions. So I written here magnesium converted into magnesium ion. Why plus 2? Because it valency 2, that's why it developed plus 2 charge. Right, friends? So that is you called oxidation reactions. magnesium converted into magnesium ion called as oxidation reactions. Oxidation reaction. And the species under oxidation reaction take place, that is we called as a reducing agent. That's we called as reducing agent. Yes, friends. Chloride turns into chloride ions. The chloride is reduction reaction take place. It's called as a oxidizing agent. Called as oxidizing agent. Yes, friends. This is about our topic, today topic, students. I hope you understood. I will give some examples, students, regarding this oxidation reduction reactions due to in Google Form, sir. Google Form, right? Okay. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, then ask me, students. Thank you.